What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Ethereum and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and it really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We're nearly at 10k subscribers, so please tap the sub button now. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, Ethereum has continued to roll over with the wider market. Bitcoin has been selling off in the past 24 hours, as we can quite clearly see from our other video that we're posting today about Bitcoin. And this is largely due to more FUD in the market. We've obviously seen the miners selling Bitcoin off, causing a lot of sell pressure because they're being forced out of the Sichuan province in China. So it looks as though they're relocating to Maryland in the USA, and there's a big airdrop of miners basically moving over. And obviously when Bitcoin goes down, the altcoins go down even more. And as we've seen, Ethereum has continued to roll here. It's been breaking through key levels of support, and it's currently coming down and testing this level here at around 1900, we could say. $1,900 here. Let me just move this down so it's a bit easier to see. So I've actually come back down and tapped pretty much perfectly off this $1,900 level, as we can quite clearly see here. So it does look as though, as we said in our previous video, if the wider market does continue to sell off because of more FUD, then we would be looking at this under this $2,000 level as a strong area of buying pressure for Ethereum. And it does look as though that is being that is essentially being respected right now. We can quite clearly see there's a lot of pressure here. Every time that we've come down below $2,000, it does look as though things have been bought up very nicely. And it does look as though we're getting a very nice bullish divergence here on our RSI. As you can see, making lower lows with our price action, but we're actually making higher lows with our RSI here. And this means that basically the price action is still going down, but the momentum to the downside is decreasing. And this generally means that a reversal is inbound. We did say this in yesterday's video, but obviously with more FUD in the wider market, we did see things continue to go down. We got this temporary relief rally here for Ethereum, but in the past day or so, again, we have been pushed to the downside by Bitcoin selling off. We're still stuck under our EMAs here. As we can see, we've basically not been bullish on our EMAs for a few weeks now. As we can see, we've basically been stuck under the 50. Keep on rolling, keep on rolling. We did actually come up and get above our EMAs here, but we couldn't hold it because of wider FUD in the market again. We came back down below our 20 here, and then since then we've just been rolling. Tested the 20 here, but couldn't break it. And then obviously we've just continued to roll to the downside. So we're looking for key levels of support here, and we do think anywhere under this $2,000 level is going to be very strong support for Ethereum. There's quite clearly a large amount of demand in this area, and as we said, it does look as though the momentum to the downside on our RSI here is decreasing. So it does look as though this bullish divergence hopefully will play out. We've seen a much more extended we've seen a much more extended move to the downside than we probably thought we would. But obviously with all of the fear and uncertainty and doubt in the market right now, with Bitcoin bouncing around between that 31 and 42k levels, pretty much all the altcoins are going to suffer even more than Bitcoin is suffering currently. Because people are going to start getting scared, as they obviously have been, and taking profits, probably moving them into stable coins. I think we've got like over $100 billion worth of market cap for stable coins currently. So quite clear that people are waiting on the sidelines to get back in. As we can see here, it does look as though Ethereum is bouncing here anywhere under this 2k level. So it does look like pretty much every single time that Ethereum's got to these kinds of levels of oversold, we have seen very nice bounces here, as you can see on the RSI. Every time we've come down to these kinds of levels, we have seen a very good bounce for Ethereum to the upside, as we can see here. So if we got a bounce anywhere near as good as these bounces, with Ethereum being as oversold as it is, we're going to be, at least in our opinion, coming back up to this 2300 to 2400 level-ish range here. But obviously, if we mimicked what we did in these previous bounces, we would be all the way back up to this $2,800, $2,900 level. But obviously, with the amount of suppression and manipulation we're seeing in the market currently, it's really difficult to know what's going to happen. But from what the technicals are saying, it does look as though we are getting pretty oversold right now. And it does seem likely to us that we're probably going to see a bounce to the upside. So in our opinion, we're not too concerned. Obviously, you don't like to see your cryptocurrencies that you like, and cryptocurrencies in general, selling off as much as they have recently. But it does look as though in a similar way to Bitcoin, we are just accumulating in this area between 1,900 and 2,900. Pretty much all the price action's just been chopping and changing in these levels. This sell-off has been pretty extreme right now, but we do look very overextended, so would be predicting a bounce in the short term, probably back up to at least this $2,200 level, maybe even up to this 2,400 or 500 in this kind of range here, basically getting a nice relief rally. Because it does look as though Bitcoin as well is getting very overextended, so obviously anything can happen in crypto, but probabilities and analysis would suggest that it's more likely that we're probably going to see a bounce from here rather than a further capitulation. Although it is possible that we could come down to these levels here, maybe even as low as 1,800 or 1,700 to retest some of these real lows if we do get a real collapse in the wider market, especially Bitcoin. So, but as we've been saying, we do think Ethereum is an amazing project. It's going to do big things. In the next year, we can imagine it's easily going to be over 10K, maybe even 20K once the bull run does get back underway. We don't think things are over by any stretch of the imagination. The fundamentals have never been stronger for crypto. As we can quite clearly see, more and more institutions are getting in, more manipulation is taking place. They're trying to get you to sell. Not financial advice, of course, but if you buy quality projects and hold them for the long term, you're most likely going to do extremely well. So we do think that we're definitely not out of the woods yet in terms of the short term, but in the long term, we do think that things are going to be definitely looking to the upside. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with Pure VPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.